Today is Sunday, and that means open house day. Today I'm at 11515 Allwood Drive in Riverside. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 2,500 square foot with a 3-car garage for $499,500. Let me take you a little walk through the property. As you enter the front door, it's a nice grand staircase up into the family room and to the living room, which is a playroom at this point. Ping pong table. Probably could put some couches in here, make it a little better. They got a dining room table here, formal. And as you walk around, you head into the kitchen. It's a little bit original, but not bad. There's a little eating area there as well. You've got a nice fireplace and family room. And there's a wet bar. Should go down the hallway. There is a downstairs bathroom and bedroom, which, well, full bedroom. So you get a full bathroom. Unfortunately, the bathroom is just under a little bit of construction. They're replacing everything, the floors, the shower, the vanity. It'll look cool in another week. Good sized master bedroom. Looks like they are in the process of moving out though. Dual vanity, full tub, and a shower. The upstairs other bathroom is done. And there's a huge game room. This game room also has a wet bar. This was obviously popular in 1989. Out to the backyard. It's a decent sized backyard, completely fenced. A few fruit trees. And a side yard with a few more fruit trees. Alright, so this is Bob Irish, and this is the new listing we have in Riverside. $499,500 for a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 2,500 square foot, 3-car garage. Give me a call, 951-313-6080, if you'd like to see the property. Have a good day.